A quick way to get your video presentations done is to come in, go to the Insert tab. From there, you're going to find audio. You can either record audio straight into the PowerPoint itself or upload from your PC. And if you need a couple of options of how to get audio because you do not like recording straight into the presentation, let me know and I can get you a couple options. When you click on record, then you're going to hit the red icon to start recording. You'll see that it starts counting how many seconds you've been recording for the duration of your recording. When you've completed, you can hit the blue square. Once that's done, you can replay, you can record again, but you've got your options there. You can even name the recording should you wish to. Outside of that, hit OK, and you now have this recording icon that will pop up on the screen in that slide. When I click on it, it's going to give me a new audio tools area. When I click on that, I can work on the formatting. I can also hit the playback tab. Within that, I can fade in and out. I can work on volume. I can loop. I can also hide during the show, so that means my icon will disappear during my show. And then you can talk about when you want the recording to start playing. If you continue or leave it as is, it will just show up in your recording like this. It will automatically start playing because it's going to make the video, and I'll show you how to do that next. But otherwise, if you're wanting some of those options, that's where you find them. Again, you can play across slides. So if you wanted to continue talking or record once and you just want it to play over, you have that option. I find it's easiest to just record as you want each slide, click to the next slide, do a new recording, and keep going as needed, because then you know that each slide is showing at the same time as what you're talking about is happening. Once you've gotten all of those in place, then you're going to go to the File tab and go down to Export. From Export, you're going to create a video, and you are going to tell them how long you want in each slide, and then create video. If you're not exactly sure how long, take the longest audio narration that you're working on. You can also use this one right here to be able to say use recorded timings and narration, or even preview it, and that can give you some more options as well. Then you're going to hit create video. While it's doing that, it's going to ask you what do you want to save your video as. You'll hit save, and it's going to have a little bar down at the bottom. When the bar is completed, your video is also completed, and you should be able to go from there. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.